Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the name of the type of iron which is sometimes known as fool's gold? Is it A. Chromite, B. Pyrite, C. Magnetite, or D. Hematite? The answer is B. Pyrite.
Pyrite, also known as fool's gold, gets its nickname because of its resemblance to real gold. Interestingly, during the gold rush era in the United States, many prospectors were fooled by pyrite's shiny appearance and mistakenly believed they had struck it rich with actual gold, hence the fitting moniker.
Question 2. What is Alicante a variety of? Is it A. Chili pepper, B. Garlic, C. Tomato, or D. Onion? The answer is C. Tomato.
Alicante tomatoes are not only known for their vibrant red color and juicy texture but also for their high levels of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of certain diseases. These tomatoes are versatile in the kitchen, perfect for salads, sauces, and even as a snack on their own.
Question 3. What would you call a male manatee? Is it A. a cob, B. a hob, C. a billy, or D. a bull? The answer is D. a bull.
Male manatees, known as bulls, are quite the romantics. During mating season, they engage in elaborate courtship rituals that involve chasing and vocalizing to attract females. These gentle giants also have a unique way of communicating through a series of squeaks, chirps, and whistles underwater.
Question 4. Which insect has a pair of prominent pincers at the tip of its abdomen? Is it A. earwig, B. ant, C. praying mantis, or D. woodlouse? The answer is A. earwig.
Earwigs are not only known for their distinctive pincers but also for their peculiar parenting habits. Female earwigs are devoted mothers, fiercely guarding and caring for their eggs and young nymphs. They exhibit maternal care rarely seen in the insect world, making them quite unique among their creepy crawly counterparts.
Question 5. A male cat is known as what? Is it A. a rooster, B. a buck, C. a tom, or D. a boar? The answer is C. a tom.
Did you know that male cats, or toms, have a unique way of marking their territory? They have scent glands located on their cheeks, paws, and tail base that they use to leave their scent behind when rubbing against objects. This behavior helps them communicate with other cats in the area.
Question 6. Which gland produces insulin? Is it A. Thyroid, B. Insuloid, C. Thyroid, or D. the pancreas? The answer is D. the pancreas.
The pancreas, known for producing insulin, is a fascinating organ with a dual role in the body. Not only does it regulate blood sugar levels through insulin production, but it also aids in digestion by secreting enzymes that break down food. This multitasking gland truly plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being.
Question 7. Which German chemist won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1944 for discovering nuclear fission? Is it A. Wilhelm Röntgen, B. Mervyn Glick, C. Otto Hahn, or D. Albert Einstein? The answer is C. Otto Hahn.
Otto Hahn, the German chemist who won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1944 for discovering nuclear fission, initially thought he had produced a new element when he split uranium atoms. It was his colleague Lise Meitner who correctly interpreted the results as evidence of nuclear fission, leading to their groundbreaking discovery.
Question 8. For what is ethylene glycol frequently used in automobiles? Is it A. brake fluid, B. windscreen washing fluid, C. engine oil, or D. antifreeze? The answer is D. antifreeze.
Ethylene glycol, commonly known as antifreeze, is not only used in automobiles to prevent engines from freezing in cold temperatures but also has a sweet taste that can be appealing to animals. This has led to cases of pets and wildlife being poisoned by consuming it accidentally, making it important to handle and dispose of ethylene glycol properly.
Question 9. Which of these pairs are myriapods? Is it A. slugs and snails, B. scorpions and spiders, C. crabs and lobsters, or D. centipedes and millipedes? The answer is D. centipedes and millipedes.
Centipedes and millipedes, both belonging to the Myriapods subphylum, have a fascinating way of moving. While centipedes are known for their fast and agile movements, millipedes move in a more leisurely manner due to having 2 pairs of legs per body segment. This difference in locomotion showcases the diversity within the myriapod group.
As we bid adieu, remember, in the world of science and nature, curiosity is the key to unlocking the universe's greatest mysteries. Keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.